seek the advice, the knowledge of the brain's trust to repair delaminated skin. So this is a hollow molded wing. That sort of stuff I have no problem with. I can repair that on the leading edge. But when you get this, like a vein of delamination along the skin, 1 second while I flip it over. So you can see there's like, I don't know, maybe half a dozen of them through there. Along the leading edge. What's the best way to fix that? Again, this sort of stuff, no problem. I can fix that. Little block of foam, bit of carbon, yada, yada, yada. But you know, what do you do in there? Oh, I can fix the trailing edge too now, apparently. Look, there's another one through there. Anyway, any advice would be greatly received.